What's up, my crypto lovers? I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. My name is Crypto Nug. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome through to Just Crypto HQ. My name is Crypto Nug, and each and every day I'll be teaching you guys how to trade Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you guys some basic pattern formations that are tradable on Bitcoin. So let's jump straight into the chart and I'll show you guys what I do see here. Right. For now, we do see that Bitcoin is traveling in this ascending formation, right? Let me just explain this to you. As you can see, Bitcoin's sitting in a higher low, and a higher low over there, right? So the price is basically setting in higher lows. So we will use this as the apex, the bottom of the trend line. You guys see that? And as you guys can see, the price got rejected here, here, and here. So this would be the top of the apex. And as you guys can see, this is a pattern formation, which is actually called a ascending triangle. So it looks like this, right? Ascending triangles are actually usually bullish patterns, which basically break up to the upside. So the good thing is also, this could also be a flag. So the price is coming up, right? The price jumps between these support and resistances, basically consolidates until it gets to the apex where it breaks out. So if it breaks to the upside, the price will basically break out, retest this support, this resistance as support, and then go to the target, which is up there, right? If the price breaks to the downside, so the price would come here, break to the downside, it breaks through, it's gonna retest this as resistance, so it can't break back into the triangle again. And if it does, the target is basically from the top to the bottom of the triangle, and this is the target over here. Same with the inverse. If it breaks to the top hand side, this is going to be the target at the top. How did I get to this? Let me show you guys, right? So basically the ascending triangle is a bullish pattern. As you guys can see, this is the formation. It comes from the bottom, bounces in between, and then usually breaks to the upside. And that's exactly what we have drawn out here, an ascending triangle. That is the one pattern I'm seeing in Bitcoin right now. Although there is another one that we can keep our eyes on as well. But I do think this one is more likely to be playing out. I'm just going to show you guys the other pattern that I do see. Let's remove all of those. Okay, cool. I do see there is also a head and shoulders pattern, right? Let me get this for you guys. Here we go. So this is a left shoulder, a head, and it could be forming a right shoulder. And this is actually a bearish pattern. Let me show you guys. Head and shoulders pattern, a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And if it breaks this neckline, you guys can see the top to the bottom, the pattern will be, the target will be at the bottom over here. So top to the bottom, and the target will be over here. And how do we trade these patterns? Basically, once it breaks the neckline, which is this one over here, the price will come down. It will retest this neckline again. If it's not able to break back above into this zone over here, it will get rejected. And that's when you place your trade in with a stop loss. And basically, you trade the price down to these levels over here, because that's the target of the head and shoulders. But I did mention that I do think that the ascending triangle is the more likely scenario to be playing out right now. Just going to redraw that on the chart for you guys, because it's currently sitting in higher lows. Do you guys see that? I'll just redraw it for you guys. It's currently sitting in higher lows, right? It's still in between this consolidation zone. The breakout of this is basically going to be the next trade. So once the price breaks out of this formation, it retests the support or resistance lines. That's when you place your trade. And as usual, guys, I'll update you guys daily. We'll see how the pattern has formed, and we'll see basically if the price has reached the target. That's all for today, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, guys, like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, as we are trying to grow to our first 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. This is not financial advice. It's only my opinion, and it's for educational purposes only.